the new used motor finally got here, and I gotta swap some stuff over on it. Intake manifolds, exhaust manifold, bell housing. Got quite a bit of work to do, so let's get cracking. Well, got a little issue with the motor here. This output for the water pump is not going to work. If I put this motor mount for the air conditioner, it's half motor mount, half, well, does both, motor mount and holds the air conditioner, you can see that that thing is going to deposit the water. Put the water hose right where the air conditioning compressor's got to be. So lucky for me, they didn't make this bolt on like they did on the other motor. So instead of taking this whole thing apart and messing up all the fuel pump and everything else and the springs and everything, which I really don't want to deal with, I'm going to cut this off, grind it down smooth, and then I just bought a tap and die, and I'm going to tap the holes and drill them, tap them, and put some former gasket on there and say Hail Mary and hope it works. So that's a little bit of a setback. I'm trying to get this put together. I didn't think I'd have to spend half a day doing that, but here we go. Well, I got the motor in last night. My phone died, and I had rented a engine hoist, and there was a lot of swearing. I got done pretty late at night, and I just didn't have time to make a video. And I guess that kind of defeats the purpose of doing the whole video, but I basically just got the engine set in there. Now I got to hook everything up and then start putting all the goodies back together. My Afro engineered water outlet, I'm hoping that doesn't leak, because if it does, there'll be more swearing. So we'll get back at it. Well, here it is. We're all set and ready for the first crank over. I got oil and antifreeze in her, and we're going to try to start her up, see what happens. Let's give her a little bit of a boost. my way over here to work on the excavator, and it's mud season here in Vermont. And we had a little separation. So I've got some pipe that came off the dump truck that it's a lot bigger, but I'm going to try to use it. Comes with a muffler and everything, so Parker's trying to bring it up. It gets bigger than he is, but it's just one more thing I gotta address. Well, I had this old muffler I'd put on my four-wheeler. Barely ever use it, so might just work out. At least till I can get it in and get it done right. I think that's what we'll do. got it all back together. I actually did a job with it a few days ago and ran great, no problems. It's not burning oil anymore, and ran really good, not blowing smoke. It's got more power, runs smoother. The machine itself's got 6,200 hours on it. The motor's only got 2,900, so hopefully that's a good investment. Excited to not have to be pouring oil into it.